Hey guys, it's mcfixit. We have not one, but two mystery boxes. I bought both of these. They allowed you to do up to 5. I bought 2. I am hoping they are different. We're going to check it out and see. I believe these are actually still available on their website. So much different than the 2021 boxes. These are the 2022 boxes. And they had a whole lot more of them, or people aren't buying them like they did before. So let's go ahead and do the top box first. Never been opened. Still have the original tape on it. And the box color is just a smidgen different, or at least the design is just a little different. You have that 20% off code. And already, I think I like it. Right on top is a MD1 and S-line. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm already in love with this box. I should be hiding it because you might have seen what the next disc is. This is the 2022 Lux Special Edition 174 Enigma. Cannot wait to throw this. I actually just started taking Enigmas out of my bag, but man, I think this one's going in for sure. And I turned one of the lights off overhead because it was... And this is that Taylor 4401. Interested in throwing this one. They said it's actually pretty similar to this MD1. So we'll see. Next, seen a couple of these. I do not know what this one is. It's a Magician 6402. I don't think I've ever thrown a Magician. This has got a big pop top on it. I actually want to throw this one. If not, you will see this one coming in a disc die soon because it'll be so easy to remove that stamp. This one feels like a putter. It is a P2. I think I have a buddy that will be interested in this. And it says it's a 176. That seems pretty heavy. It's the Flex 2. So that's my first misprint. Ooh. FD. Is that a little jackal on there? 176. If you don't know me, I throw a lot of FDs. That one is sweet too. I am very liking this. I did not get a Logic last year, but I do know a couple of people who throw these, so hopefully I can switch them for something better. Not a big fan of Logic. I used to throw a lot of Lynx. This feels, ooh, an Instinct. That's pretty cool. So that's an X-Out Instinct, and as we all know, we get to go down. Lots of paper, fun stuff to read. Spend all day reading this. Pause that video if you want. Okay, I'm done. What color is it going to be? What color? Oh, I have not seen this color combination yet. Holy cow. I was expecting it to be white. That is sweet. That's the new DD1 174. I believe it's a 12.6 -1.2. I'll probably put it up on the screen. But oh, man, I love that color combination. So to review this box, this is box number 1. We got that DD1. Oh yeah, and they also put other junk in the bottom. Sticker, a pin, and some candies if you're interested in that. But that's sweet looking. I really like that. Little blacked out rim on there. We got that Instinct. Logic. Then we have the FD, that P2 with the double stamp. We have that Magician. We have the Taylor. We have the Enigma. And we have that MD1. It does look like there's a little imperfection right there, but man, I love me some MD1s in the original plastic, the C lines, so excited to throw that in the S line. Time to box number 2. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I so hope this is totally different. I will not be happy if it's the same. I mean, I'll probably be happy because there's some really sweet discs in there, but I hope there's some different ones in this one. So same thing, they give you that nice little discount of 20% off, which is pretty nice. Oh, I didn't mean to look at it. I already love this one. You ready? That is so sweet. That is a Vapor Enigma as well, 173. Hey, Brian, if you're watching, you never know. These might be going up for sale. Oh, FD3 bar stamp. I do love me an FD3. Oh, that is so cool looking. All them little stars on there. I'm not certain how well that's going to show up on my GoPro. Ooh, this one's blacked out. This seems like a different box, and I am so happy. MD3 Blacked Out Mystery Box Edition. Kind of a rainbow stamp. Don't really like blacked out disc. I'm not real happy with this one. Got a second Magician. One of these will be dyed in a video very soon, probably given away to one of our students in our youth ministry. And a double stamp Link. That one's pretty cool looking. Exo Hard, if you like that. DD3. I do throw some DD3s. And these ones are pretty stable normally. 172 with that green. Does have some mess up here too, but overall that one looks sweet. Got another Logic. Not real big fan, but maybe I'll try to throw it. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to keep one. I do like the purple color. And we got a Taylor. I like that Taylor better. That's got a cool little stamp on it. I'm guessing they're throwing a Taylor in each one of these boxes. And now it's time for the bottom. Another fun paper. Please be something cool. Please be something cool. Oh, it's more the bland ones. But overall, not bad. This is the first one I was expecting to get. That second color one is pretty awesome. It does have a little bit of pop top to it, but even if you were to wipe that stamp, you could make something really sweet out of it. This one's a pretty lightweight one, 171. It's going to be hard to see that on there. But I do like that. It's got the other junk in the bottom if that's something you're interested in. Yay for fun stuff. So, going to go ahead and throw that back in there. That was the DD1 in our recap. There's your DD1. Here's that blue Taylor. Logic. DD3. Link. Magician. MD3. I really like this one. This is that FD3. But my favorite one of all is this one. Boom! I like that one. I think I'm keeping that one. Sorry, Brian, if you want it. But those are the 9 discs that come in. A total of 18 discs. I hope you like this. Hope to have some more videos out soon with some other things. Maybe even a competition between boxes. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but it should be pretty sweet. Maybe I'll try to get a friend or two that bought one of these boxes. Just throw the whole box, and that's our bag for the day. Would be pretty fun. Lots of papers as well, if you like that kind of stuff, and discounts. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Click that link up in the corner here, and that will take you to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I have lots of disc dies. I'll put those up right now, and even done some stuff with carts, and I'll put those up here as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.